Hello! In today's video we brought inspirations from super creative decoration ideas reusing wood. Come on, let's start with the creative signs. And now let's go to the shelves. If you have little space at home to organize your items is a good idea. We cannot forget about the niches, both to decorate and to place some favorite items. See these tables, made from the reuse of wood. Even a bench, toys, cabinets. Everything can be adapted with wood and help the environment, and of course leaving your home in a rustic or modern style. We cannot forget the inspirations of coffee tables, reusing leftover wood. These are tips that go from the head of a bed to the floor of a garden. We already had a video here on the channel with woodworking tips to decorate your home while spending little. If you didn't see the link, it's in the description of this video. It's really cool, isn't it? What do you have there in your house, which is made from reusing wood? Any work? Tell us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications so as not to miss any news. If you liked this video, leave your like and share it with your friends. We are waiting for you.